Good morning, algebra students. How are you today? We are going to look at notes for 1-5. So we're jumping into solving equations. That was Unit 3 in our last year's stuff. So we're jumping on to reviewing Unit 3 stuff. Then we'll do 4, and then we'll move on to some new stuff. So hopefully you might remember that the goal of equation solving is to isolate the variable. Oh, excuse me. I just had breakfast and chugged some orange juice. Isolate the variable. You want to get that x piece all by itself on one side of the equal sign. So you end up with something like x equals a number. Excuse me. And how do we do that? We do that using what is so fancily known as inverse operations. And this also using those equality properties. So, for example, if I have something like, I'm going to do a very basic example, x plus 4 is equal to 10. Is my x all by itself? No, there's a plus 4 over there. So inverse operations, if x is being added to 4, the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So we know that we can subtract 4 from both sides. So this right here that we're doing, that is that equality property of subtraction, because we're subtracting it from both sides of the equation so we can keep it equal. Hence the point of the equation. So we use those inverse operations there. Solution: a value that when substituted for the variable makes the equation or inequality true. That's when, they give you the answer, you're plugging it back in, you're using order of operations here. This uses order of ops to simplify. SIMP. Yeah. To simplify. And you want to end up something like, a true statement. 9 is equal to 9. You're looking for a true statement there. You don't want to get an untrue statement, otherwise that's probably not the correct answer. Or you did some math wrong. All right, we're going to take a look at example 1 in the next video.